LMI Landscapes has been in business for well over 30 years. We're located in Carrollton, Texas. We also service in Colorado as well. We work on residential apartment complexes, retirement centers, and heavily involved in commercial and industrial warehouses as well. We're currently at 26 at City Point in North Richland Hills, and as you'll see behind me are the Jackson Castone planters that are located on this property. We have some located here directly in front of the leasing office, as well as the pool courtyard and an outdoor area. These planters receive seasonal color and get 2 changes a year based on the season. The Jackson Castone planters are made of full concrete. They do have a guarantee on them. They do allow a curing time for concrete, which a lot of people don't realize they need that. If you don't give that, then you don't have the durability of it. And Jackson Castone gives that guarantee and that comfort knowing they're going to back up their product. LMI Landscapes works with high-end residential, such as the one we're at today, along with others in this DFW area. We're currently expanding into the Austin and Houston market also. We also are very involved currently right now for this year with Amazon warehouses. And that's a big deal. As everybody knows, Amazon Prime is the place to be. And that's allowed us to increase our growth and double our revenue in 2 years. Jackson Castone planters are not only known for their quality, but they are also cost effective. With these planters, you do again have the durability, but to know that these will outlast your landscape and are also changing with times. They will stay in the setting of the landscape no matter how things change around here or how the world changes, as we all know.